Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we are back today with another video, man. So first and foremost, before y'all get into the video, make sure y'all drink water on the daily, man. I got my cup right here with ice water. Y'all let me know if y'all like it chilled or ice down below, man. Room temperature water or cold water down below in the comments right now while I take a sip. Key to life, man. With that being said, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down there and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video. Supposedly it helps out this video a ton, pushes it into the algorithm, this, that, and the third. And just leave a comment. Make sure y'all leave a comment if it has anything to do with the sneaker, ice water, or room temperature water. Y'all just let me know. We have on another white tee today. That means we have another sneaker review. You know, crisp white tee, crisp review. That's it, man. I lied because this tea is not so crisp. I was being a fat ass today. Had some Popeyes. Yeah, I got stained, bro. Shit, that might be the top 5 like worst feelings in the world. Like when you wearing a white tee and you get sauce on it or it gets stained. Whew, gotta throw this out now. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna see if I get rid of it. But anyways, we are back today with another review. You guys can tell by the box, it is another Nike Dunk Low. The Jordan 5 Moonlights also came out today, or I know it as the Oreos. They came out today, and I was gonna do a review, but I've seen a lot more people have done the review on this shoe already as opposed to this one. So I'm just gonna knock this one out first, and then I'm probably gonna drop this tomorrow. The box on this one's a little fucked up, but it is what it is. I'm gonna drop it tomorrow, probably around like noon-ish. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. Alright, so hopping into the unboxing, man. As you guys could tell right here, it's just the box. Regular orange Nike Dunk box. Orange all around with Nike logo all around. So on the top, the sides, both sides, and then right here you have the size tag, and then all the miscellaneous like details on the low, on the bottom of a Nike box. But as you guys could tell, it's a Nike Dunk Low Retro. Size is 8.5. Retail on this is $100. Color code reads white/gray fog. So this shoe dropped on Nike and Sneakers Pass. So basically it didn't drop anywhere else, mainly on Sneakers Pass and Concepts in New York and Boston. But I didn't see anywhere else really drop this sneaker. Foot Locker hasn't released them yet, and they was on the apps, but they're probably gonna be on the apps like within the next month, because you know, late shipments and all that. I personally wasn't able to get my hands on these, but my friend Gio was able to get a pair, and we basically just swapped. He wanted the Oreo 5s today, so I got the Oreo 5s, and he was like, yo, I have these. I was like, all right, we could do a swap. Why not? Bang bang. Let me know if I lost in the swap though, because you know, these are $100. Oreos are like $190. Anyways, whatever, man. That's give or take. I'm here with the review, so yes sir. All right. So just opening up the box, regular, you know, opening. They have the little gray or white paper on the inside, and flipping it down, bang! You have the sneaker right here. So right here, Nike Dunk Low. The freaking light is blasted on it. But yeah, there you guys have a better look at it. But I'm gonna give you guys a B-roll to get the better look at all the details right now anyways, and then after the B-roll we're gonna come back, breaking down with the full review. Why do I keep saying that? What's wrong with me? Something's wrong with me. But yeah, let's just cut to a B-roll. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details, man. And yeah, here's the sneaker right here. Nike Dunk Low, Gray Fog. Another thing though, I have to drop this video on how to lace Nike Dunk Lows. I've been saying that for the past like 2-3 weeks, so I do have to drop that video. And yeah, this is like another pair of Dunks that's recently came out, so I'm gonna, you know, have it in the thumbnail, make it look nice. So yeah, if I don't have to go to work tomorrow, I'm dropping that video, so stay tuned to the channel, man. It's very important that you guys know how to lace your Dunks, man, because a lot of people have been lacing them disgustingly. So I got ya. Don't even trip. Alright, I think that's enough announcements for the video. So let's just jump into the review and the colorway and material breakdown, man. So as for the colorway breakdown, I had to break down the exposure because the light was making the shoe too bright. You couldn't even really see like what was going on with the color blocking and stuff. But yeah, pretty simple. White and gray. They're calling it gray fog, but it's gray. So white and gray make up the sneaker. So white on the toe box, white on the mid panels, on the lateral side and the medial side, and white on this back area around the ankle going to the back of the heel, and white on the midsole, and also white tongue, white insole with the gray Nike logo on the inside. But yeah, and then white stitching as well on the tongue and the back of the shoe. Then the rest of the shoe is in gray, starting off with the outsole in gray, going around the toe box is in gray, Nike swoosh is in gray, gray laces, gray sock liner, gray heel patch, whatever you want to call it, and gray around the back area of the shoe. So very simple colorway, and if I was the same colorway as the OG Kentucky, Syracuse, Panda, black and white, Michigan State, St. John's, UNC, like the classic nice colorway, man, and makes it a really nice shoe. So yeah, as for material that they use, same thing as the other Dunks, same material, just use this like leather. It's not the best leather, it's not tumble leather, it's just like a pretty like hard leather, you know what I'm saying? After you wear one, it's gonna crease. That's the thing that gives it with Dunks. That's why only $100. They're gonna crease, bro. So if you want them to not crease, you could get a crease protector or whatever, but they gonna crease, man. They gonna crease. Not the best leather out there. It's nothing tumble about it, but it's not like super plasticky like the actually kind of is plasticky, but not as hard as the, if you guys had the white cement 4s from 2012, that leather right there, this shoe was like, it was just dumb hard. But yeah, man, not the best leather, but just leather. And then nothing really much on the midsole and outsole, it's just rubber. So yeah, there's that. Now as for sizing on Dunks, I do recommend you guys going down half a size. Let me bring the exposure back up a little bit. I do recommend you guys going down half a size on these, just because Dunks typically fit like pretty long. So I do recommend going down half a size on Dunks. These are an 8.5. I usually get all my Dunks in 8.5. I am personally a 9, 8.5/9. So 9, I get all my Jordans in like a 9. But if shoes fit a little bit big, typically I'll go down half a size. So I went down half a size on these, and I got these in an 8.5, just like my other Dunks, man. Now, with sizing comes comfort, you know what I'm saying? So I was saying before that the midsole and the outsole is just strictly rubber. So yeah, man, these are strictly rubber and not the most comfortable sneaker. Pretty light, like I do say, it's for like a summertime shoe. We are going to the winter now, so it's kind of like tough. But in New York, if you're in New York. But like I said, not that comfortable just because there's no technology in there. So I would give these like a 6.5 or like 7 out of 10 as for comfort. Just because like it is light, so I would say they're pretty comfortable because they're light, but there's no cushioning, so yeah, it doesn't really do much for you if it's just pretty much like flat. So yeah, there's that. All right, now let's just hop into a quick on feet since this is a size 8.5. Like I said, we're going into the winter time. I feel like Dunk lows are more for the summertime, especially like you rocking with shorts and stuff, but you can still pull off like this colorway. I think it's very good for the winter time. I feel like the brighter colorways like UNC's and the colors that pop at you like the Syracuse, they're more like for summer, you know what I'm saying? You're rocking with shorts. But I personally think Dunk lows are more of a summer sneaker anyway. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little look on them with some sweatpants on and stuff like that. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them, man. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, I just gave you a quick little look with some essential Fear of God sweatpants. Those are honestly one of the best sweatpants I have. I'm gonna drop a video on that too. Top 5 sweatpants for the fall and winter, man. I got mine like 2 years ago, so they're a little heavier. But yeah, they coming out with different colorways and stuff like that, and they go well with these. So yeah, they look pretty nice. But anyways, let's talk about resell on this shoe, man. A lot of y'all here for that, so yeah, let's just talk about that. I keep trying to pick off this glue stain because Nike Dunk Lows have terrible like glue stain quality. But yeah, resell. Right now the shoe is doing smaller sizes are like 230, 225, and bigger sizes are around like 275. Do I think they're gonna go down? Like I said before, only Nike and smaller boutiques have released them. Foot Locker hasn't even released them yet, so I do think prices will drop if Foot Locker eventually releases them. These are pretty limited as of right now, so I would recommend you guys to hold off to them. Like I said, I did a trade with the Oreo 5s just because I think I can get my hands on more Oreo 5s going forward as opposed to these Dunks. But yeah, man, I do think they're gonna go down in price just because more stores are gonna drop them. And yeah, hopefully, like I said, hopefully these shoes hit like around, all sizes hit around like low 200s to 200, and then I'll recommend you guys picking them up there at that price. The potential on this shoe is like the UNCs, they could go up to like 300, 350. So yeah, I just, you know, watch out. But then they could restock multiple times like the Pandas. So you really never know. You really just never know these days. But here's the sneaker right here. That's my resale predictions. And now let's wrap things up with my final opinions on the sneaker. So, talking about the final opinion, obviously I picked them up in my size, and I've been saying the whole video, that's my toe size, so I'm probably gonna keep them. I did have the Fulton Dust colorway before, and that was a woman's shoe, so I had a 10.5, and didn't fit quite right as opposed to this one. This one, it fit a little bit better because it's a men's size. But I do like the white laces on the Fulton Dust as opposed to the gray laces on this one. Like the gray is cool, but I think the white like looks better. But so yeah, I might get a pair of white laces and throw them on here. But yeah, I'm adding these to the collection, so I'm gonna have like 4 or 5 pairs of Dunks now. Dunk Lows. Like I always wanted Dunk Lows before the hype came, but then the hype came and I don't even think I wore a pair of my Dunk Lows. I just have them in the collection. I'm waiting for the hype to die down, and then once they die down, people have beat up pairs, I'm gonna bring out my fresh pairs. That's usually how I do with my sneakers. Like now, I wear like my Bread 4s a lot now. I wear my cool Black Cement 3s a lot, Cool Grey 4s, just because you don't see those on an everyday basis anymore. Right now, you see Dunks everywhere. Everybody has a pair of like UNCs, everybody has a pair of Pandas, and once those get beat up, you bring out a fresh pair. Yeah. You feel me? They're gonna be like, yo, I wish I kept my pair clean. Yeah, dummy. Should've. Ha, could've. Dummy. But anyways, that's the end of this video, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the sneaker down below. Were you guys able to get a pair of new sneakers? Were you guys able to hit on Sneakers Pass? Y'all let me know, concepts, whatever. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. Make sure y'all check into the next video. We out.